No. I ran out of almond milk, so I gotta use regular milk. I need to go get some today. It's 8 o'clock. I'm heading over to my dad's. We're going to pick up my grandma at 8:30 and then go remove that tree in Sylvania. Dude, it is already hot. It's like 70, I think, already. And it's humid. It must have rained last night. I don't know. I don't watch the weather. I just wait and see what happens. And most of the time, when people tell me that the weatherman say it's gonna rain, it's not gonna rain. So I kind of expect the opposite of what I hear. Because when are they right? Not very often. I'm really amazed right now because I'm here this early. Hey, Big Peter. How are you doing today, Big Peter? How's your morning going, Big Peter? God, he won't answer any of my questions. Big Peter. We had surface water running in the basement of one of our apartments. So we had to come check it out before we went to get this tree out of the way. Yeah.
What does it tea so there's two nah.
Mom's not home and I'm gonna ride the dirt bike. Yeah. I'm gonna go brap, 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 brap. Maybe I'll take the camera back there and the tripod and set it up in the back. Oh, I gotta put gas in it. I gotta put gas in it. Blade, put gas in the... Okay. Blade, put gas in the dirt bike and make sure you have enough. All right, good. Got it. Good. Got it. Yeah. I don't want to go to work because I'm in a good mood and I want to have a good day. But tomorrow is my free day and I'm not going to do anything. Dude, I got up at 7 this morning. That's amazing. I never do that. And I stayed up till 3. I got let's do the math here. 4 hours of sleep, I think. Yes. I was actually debating on not even going to sleep because normally when I'm only going to have that, if I'm going to have less than 4 like, if I'm gonna have less than 4 hours of sleep, normally I just don't go to sleep, because then when I wake up, I'm normally tired than I was when I went to sleep. But I got up. I wanted to get up at 6 and go to the gym, but I was like, you know what? Not gonna happen. Well, I got that tree job done. That went pretty well. I wanted to record the whole thing, but it was kind of weird vlogging in front of my, I don't even know. Is she my cousin? No, I don't know. My niece? I don't know. In front of the family, it was just weird because I don't go there often. But I got a little bit of clips. Yeah, that makes sense. Hey guys, look. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, wow! Oh, wow! God, I'm an idiot. I kind of like vlogging by myself because I'm just pure stupid. Oh, and I drank that entire bottle of Mountain Dew on the way back, and I felt like throwing up. That was gross. So yeah, I'm gonna go ride the dirt bike, and then I need to do some yard work. But not really feeling that today. I might. I want to take the weed whacker back in the trails in the woods and clean them up, because I used to take the mower out there, but I got them so ripped up with the dirt from the dirt bike now that I'm probably going to be mowing a lot of dirt. So I'm just going to weed whack them and trim the sides and everything. Get them all cleaned up and purty. And there's like a black BMX ramp in the woods, because I had them out there to ride my bike through the trails and hit the jumps. And I just keep driving around the ramp. I don't know why I don't just get off and move it. When I'm riding, I just don't like to get off and move things. Like if there's a big log in the way, I'll just freaking ride over it. Yesterday I did move it though, because I had to push the dirt bike all the way up. Figured why not take a break, and I was already off the bike. But so I need to move that ramp. I want to at least weed whack the trails. Of course I want to do what doesn't necessarily need to be done, but whatever. I'll run it. I already got my pants and boots on, so I don't got to change. Oh wow. Took a fat pooper and that smells good. Hi Bandit. How are you doing today? Are you having a good day? Huh? Bandit, speak. Speak. Oh, you're too lazy, aren't you? You're too lazy. Bandit, speak. 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 Good boy. Who's your good puppy? You need a friend. I feel like you're lonely. You're lonely without a friend. This is like the longest clip. This clip is going for 5 minutes now. This is gonna suck to edit. Maybe I'll just leave it raw and leave all my stupidity in it. Does this sound like a good idea, Bandit? Speak if you think I should just leave it like this. Speak. Okay, it's gonna stay like that. Oh boy, that's not good. Oh, you just looking pretty. Well, you looking so pretty. You wanna go outside? Wanna go outside? You wanna go outside, Bandit? I think he does. Now don't run out in the road. Bandit! Oh my. Bandit! Bandit, come on. Come on. Normally he'll just walk out there, sniff the Jeep and like the vehicles or whatever, and come back. Hopefully. Bandit!
Bandit, get away from the road, you silly ghost. Come on. Bandit, come on. Good boy. No. Outside. Really?
Come on. This way. Oh yeah. That needs mowed too. Oh.
Dirt bike is looking Gucci. We are gonna put on the helmet and the goggles and the chest protector and the neck brace and the gloves and not the jersey,
Because screw that. It's too hot to wear that. And so last night I was riding, I did a third gear wheelie, and I'm pretty sure the fender touched the ground. I was so scared. And for some reason I took my feet off the pegs and I touched the ground with my feet and like pushed the bike back down. It was pretty sketchy. But I'm gonna end this clip now before more stupid stuff happens in it, because Bandit talked to me, so I can't edit this clip. I asked him if I should leave it like this, and he said yes. So almost forgot the camera. Can't forget that. Gotta get some kelops. Hopefully she's charged. Let's see. Is she working? Oh yeah, she's recording.
What's going on? Double camera vlog. How about... God, I'm so dumb. Gotta grab the tripod.
Pod. You can't even see anything besides the phone screen in this camera. Oh wow. Alright, shut that back down. Full battery. Looking... Wow, that was weird. The camera just focused on my face in the screen on my phone. Gotta get the tripod. I don't know how I'm gonna get this out there while I'm riding the dirt bike. Maybe I'll just strap it to myself or something. I don't know, like a strap-on or yeah. It's hot out there. Especially because I was running around. Oh my gosh. I was running around setting up the camera and everything. This fan's cranking. I got this fan on. Feels so good in here though. I'm gonna edit. Gassing her up with some good old gas. I'm gonna ride it all night. There it is again. So here she is. I hate doing this. Gassing her up on the dirt bike. I spill it every time. Hopefully I don't, cause that would be nice. But I probably will. Yeah. Why am I singing to myself while I'm filling her up? I'm in a good mood and I don't want to go to work. I just want to vlog all day long. Wow, I am definitely, I don't even know. I need to get up early more often. I am in a great mood today, way better than yesterday, as you could tell, because I was pretty pissed in that clip before work. Had to blur out a few things. Well, not blur out, but take down the audio on some of those. Oh, that should be good. This thing holds too much gas.